Alright, we're gonna start the Mustang today. It is time for the new project. As you can see, it's full of shit. I don't even know if it's gonna start, but we'll try it out. I'm gonna clean these up. Clean all that shit up. The rust. I'm gonna clean these. And all this. I haven't started it in months. $8mm. Let's tighten her up. Let's see. Oh, still has power. All right, moment of truth. Oh, so close. All right, guys, so since there's not enough power on this, we're gonna try to get some power from this car. There we go. Right there. Just let it charge for a little bit. All right, let's try it. Wow, still works. So what I'm gonna do after this is basically get the car back registered, and we're gonna get insurance on it, get it washed up, and then we're gonna prep it. Back at the crib now. We got the car washed, and I got these two tools from Amazon. So basically, this one is a orbital sander. It's a portable one since I can't really have a plug here in my apartment. I bought this extra tool because it has the two batteries, so, and then I'll get an extra tool, so might as well do that. Came with two batteries. You can buy these things on Amazon. The link is on the description below if you want to buy it real quick. So basically, we're gonna have to sand down the roof because there's rust. I've shown you guys the rust, but we'll take a look again. So here is the actual tool. You just plug it in right here, straight up. And then it comes with some sandpaper, some 220 grit sandpaper. And we're gonna attempt to do it a little bit. I know it's kind of dark, I'm sorry about that, but we're still gonna do it right now because I'm really excited. Shout outs to my girl for filming. Here is the rust, as you can see, guys. It's pretty bad, and when you try to wrap over it, it's gonna show on the wrap. So we're gonna try to sand it down as much as we can. Hopefully this works, guys. Let's try it out. So here we go. Here goes nothing. Whoa, look at that. So the painted part completely came off already. That's the primer. We're just trying to get it as smooth as possible. So here was the rust. Now it's all cleaned up. Alright, y'all, we're back at the crib. We're gonna start working on the car right now. So let me just show you the things that I'm using to get it all wrapped up. So all of these things right here you can find on my description down below. The link will be there. So if you want to buy it, you can click that, help me out. Here's a torch tip right there. Some magnets if you don't have extra hands, but I do. Shout out to my girl right there. And then we got some wrapping tools here that we'll need to use. Microfiber towel. I'm using propane. I'm using a torch because I don't have an extension cord that can go all the way up to my apartment. So we'll have to use that. Gotta be very careful. Here is the Avery wrap, and you'll need a spray with water and soap so that when you squeegee it, it doesn't scratch the surface, and like a scissors if you need it. So first thing we're gonna do is basically cut out the parts that will be laid on. So we're gonna do here, very smooth. After I sanded it, I liked it. We're gonna do a wipe down, and then we're gonna do here, here, and then same thing on the other side. I'm gonna take you guys on the GoPro right now. Excuse the audio, it's gonna be kind of sucky on this one, but we'll have to work with it. All right, here we go. Alright guys, so here's what we got so far. As you can see, you have the little creases right here, but that's fine. Yeah, just see how she's working the wrap there. She uses her hands occasionally, and if it seems like it's gonna be starting to crease, you stop using the squeegee and you start using your fingers. That way the air bubble releases nice and easy, because if you force it down too hard with your squeegee, it's gonna create a wrinkle that's gonna be ruining your wrap basically. So we're gonna do this part left. She pretty much finished her side. She's like a natural at this actually. Alright guys, so we pretty much got the whole roof covered. As you can see, no wrinkles anywhere. We're gonna cut it right here. We're gonna tuck that part in. Okay, there it is. And just follow the groove of your car all the way through. Cover it up, and then we'll just take this one off. So guys, it really makes a difference if you have an extra hand to help you. So hit up whoever you can. If you got a girl, if you don't got a girl, you know what I'm saying, maybe get a girl. Nah, just kidding. But if you like the content so far, go ahead and like, comment what you think so far, and subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell button. Let me know that you're feeling me. Alright, so we're just gonna stuff this part right here, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. So so once you got it laid on, and cut, you're gonna want to heat it up a little bit so that the adhesive on the wrap sticks to your car and kind of just. Okay, good. Safety first, and then we're gonna do this, since it's smaller. Now we'll do this. Okay.
just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Well, alright guys, so as you can see, we have already finished. I'm doing the final touches of torching the wrap at the corner so that it doesn't come up when heat does touch it. So it's like a little preheat, kind of bake it a little bit, but that is it for the video, guys. Let me know how she looks. We got the side pillars here, the roof, and also here the back pillar as well, completed. Satin black Avery Denison wrap. The link will be on my bio for all the tools that I used. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Car Addict out. Peace.